Hello friends, in the previous video I talked about variety, the concept of the hashing, hash value, hash table and the different hash functions. In this video we will discuss these hash function in detail. So first of the hash function is division method. What we can do in the division method, let's suppose we have the different keys like 52, 68, 99, 84. We want to store it into a table. Now we should determine how much record we basically need to store. Let's suppose our records are 10 or less than 10. So what should be the size of the hash table? If the number of records are nearly about 10, so we can take the hash table of size 10. Then what we will do, we will divide all those numbers by 10 and take the remainder value of all those key values. So just have, we are dividing 52 by 10 and having the remainder 2, 68 by 10 having the remainder 8, 99 by 10 having the remainder 9, 84 by 10 and having the remainder 4. What does it mean? That means we will store 52 at the second row, 68 at the 8th row, 99 at the 9th row and 84 at the 4th row, like this. This is the hash table, and here we are showing only the key values. The key value may have some records, so this can be that those records can be stored into the second column of this table. But what will happen if the two key value will generate the same address? Let's suppose we have 32 in the same list of record and we will divide it by the 10, then the 2 will generate. The 2 has also been generated for 52. So what will happen in that case? So we will discuss it later, but this question should come in your mind while we are having this particular method. Let us take one more method. Here we are having the key values with the associated values over there. Well, associated value means the record value, which is not very important for us while we are applying it on the hashing. It is just the information. The key value is important for us. So let's suppose these are the key values and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 9 records are there. So we can take any number as a division method while we are applying the hash function. So if 9 records are there, so we can consider the hash table of a bigger size. Let's suppose we are considering hash table of a 20 records. So we will divide each of the key value by 20 and will get the remainder, and that remainder will work as a array index of the hash table. So 1 by 21, 2 by 22, 42 by 22. Here you can see we are getting for the two different keys. One is the key is 2 and the second key is 42. We are getting 4, we are getting 12, 14, 17, 13 and we are getting 17 again. We are getting 17 for the 17, we are getting 17 for the 37. So for 9 records, even we have took the hash table of 20 rows, we have find out two collisions. The one collision here and the second collision is here. How we can handle these collision, this we will discuss later in the third video of this topic. The second method of the hash function is mid square method. It is one of the easiest method that you can understand. And if you have a bigger numbers or the numbers are very random, they have no sequence like that. So what you can do, you can take the square of that numbers. Let's suppose the key is 3101. So what we are doing, we are getting the square of 3101 and we are getting this kind of value. And based upon the size of the hash table, if the hash table size is of 99 rows, we can take the two digit from the mid of this number. If you are taking the 2 digit from mid of this number, that will be 16 either 16 or 62, anything you can consider. And if we are taking the three keys, like suppose we are having the hash table of 999 rows are there, so then we can take the 162 as a key value, as a hash value. So let's suppose we are taking the three middle digits, so 162 is our hash value for the key value 3101. It is possible that number of collision may be reduced as compared to the division method, but the space complexity is much bigger in the mid square method. But mid square method also not a collision free method. It can generate the collision. And the last method is the digit folding method. What the digit folding method is that, let's suppose we have example 124655512. So what you can do, you can divide this number into different pairs of either 2 digit or 3 digit or the combination, whatever you like. Like suppose we are folding this number like this, so 124 plus 655 plus 12. So you can make any decision, that first 3 digit, then second 3 digit, then third 2 digit, first 2 digit, then second 3 digit, then last 2 digit. So whatever the range of the key values you are having, based upon that you can decide the folding scenario. If you are adding these folding values, so you are having one of the hash value. This hash value may be unique, but again this method is also not a collision free method. Every hash function have some characteristics which may be good and may not be good, but what we should think when we are choosing any of the hash function, it should be easily computable, it not take too much memory while it is computing. Each of the method is each of the method having the collision probability, but it should not be very high. The method cannot be collision free, but it can be collision resistant. So we should hope for that. In the next video we will learn how to handle the collision. Thank you.